so be lo sheploka ko girlfriend kano san into chante ko to ba
hello borna tsan ale play tumbo ale play
akola baniranga dunya ngo akola banga ba te guruma amaka yo banyara la ya yelo
to chakati azan pa te banam na za duma mun nam duka gasi mun temina za sa nyevele katon parta lan fedi ko puni kati alan la na jimo puni tete za enfant dem bien zanti samba nam ke di jimo kati piul bon inside tamale ngilum boni abu moaz zumi ti anan la sa kanan katare ya mala enfant ne tizanti samba nam ke di temala ikhlas happening to do puni benyala delivery company. They are doing so many things. Kawchana dumo puni netizan la shilmina fan ma zanti bambe sambane kana bo mila tatabo company ma yara. There's a member marketing director ambe dumo puni cheka no marabi chana chama marabi
ngona.
Okay. So Angel mangulenye ni marketing director on tele. So first of all anzang ayulu seloma sambane kawbanya ni boso.
In Wilbon de la Abdurrashid Sadiq, but so comes Amni Malan Yawa.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Tuli Bolenye Ikhlas Hub.
Ikhlas Hub, Tinyala company, Tinyala young company grow here now. So beaucoup pila yulma azantele ba yulma malar mine.
Okay.
So kaba pizantele de minon de ben yarapam do recently delivery man katitu peven yalanga but rapun nang de la other services and they are still on. So TND filarza yeto ane yina.
Okay, that's fine. So TN delivery, it has to do with so many things.
Okay.
Anto she the yamate in the type of delivery schedule.
Okay. So personally, mandibe leher la karangi delivery.
Okay.
Mbonde la errant.
Okay.
Because what we do is that the yulukunya delivery, but what we do is that we try as much as possible kat serve ya don't tune the service. So say for example, tamale parcel delivery,
okay,
kamale food delivery,
okay,
tamal errands for corporate and personal, kama aini ni sala kabware any errands rana ta kana chi corporate errand. So tamale other services, tamal shelter to bone professional services.
Services.
Ti pan man ne explainer ba.
Okay. So for the sake of time, maybe titi ke to ashane kartine na yuna ni man tite kama ku boy service shama ngodinye sham de cheka so madrid.
Let's take for example tanda apun nang de ben yar shanga face tra nyala mo mani beninda kunyita hap.
Okay.
Okay. So tran the all kinds of mobile money and still tran dele.
Okay.
And secondly, tran the easy.
Okay.
Okay. And then agency banking. For example, amale banking issues. But ka bank na mo ka jena chang.
Okay.
They are kuborna nang le fast. Then am botishi.
Okay.
Katanang la banking agency smarta.
Okay.
So for example, other service chanten da pun nang malama. But when you come to the professional service,
okay,
then yala is very broad. But for example, then yala kamana biala yanga,
okay,
alati pi,
okay,
currently kana ka electrician,
okay,
we client welcome.
Okay.
So then you find la tamala list of all professionals.
Bambi equivalent.
Yes.
Okay.
Like they are not part of us. Ben yala ba mamang tum. Like
okay, but
businesses.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Kat le mi ba ka ba tum de ven yala. So we have their list. So I call now. Oh, Ikhlas Hub terbuarla electrician temala temina kasu. Then quickly katanan pick from the list. Kabakana to tumata.
Okay.
So then any professional service. So the Malbin yara pam a lot of professionals.
Okay.
So basically don't kunye shambala with regards to la professional service.
So kama yeshamo email security like because tuma kutumnu abibi agban to chere pune enzan yuloma mbwar terbuma kabne to chante nan ban shaba ha kayin ba mire yara
lanyal tumala because tin nan sham nyala tumala to staff IDs.
Okay.
Mbato jishel na show yele. The staff kamala o ID.
Okay.
Or you no number, no own play a role shele. The biala result.
Okay.
So for example, I place order for bandiri ube me shaka chante nang leta. O kana kabor na bang what is going on. On to show ya ID. Second, the tlama late outfit tin yarni shanga tamal t-shirts min ben yara so yen chang to tuma o yen yelma ka mi this person is coming from this side of the company so basically in terms of the yencheka nyun involved with asthma ka believe in a tanambala this is what we have.
Wow, that's fine. Ariella errance toi son to understand the meaning. Is it that maybe imala niveau shawadina kaswebe lokshe pro borson utem kene to nye sutu hako tumobe ula karo.
Dagban le errant ma kunyala temsim like kama mbitu mano. Kaban shami kana karnon very important karade tuna take care of it ami karan so anto bolti o mbetu mane nyeben sharam mi biane so into nyesoko nang letama aban yar shama tumsim nyale abwaram na buku bukata shelter then nyen to la job description ma
so sonto be sambane ka bohro suhne is it that yikware abandirgo yaha imaman san ka bandirgo mo be dinan ka so bor bandirgo ka ilahnya bi into ko no to zan chanta to be munu to da bandirgo loksha plo kan ban ko har bandirgo kale yayi ne ma kay ne cheka bi chanta dire to na
so tin non de sham to ko har bandirgo to ko har tan ko har ban shao but what we do is that dinyala bor bandirgo ka ba mi am bor bandir shale tenen to like abami ba shall na yin ba kale mi mbor jollof be mbor fried rice be mbor bumbo so yen yatla bandir shall ambora kati yala ba ya kaza biani so bien on a même point try shell so yala don't want to pick from chango then tenen ni chang na man te danta
it means I tell recommendations balama
yes
you want to chop bandirgo
because halit mama tamalton worker with shaba hale guest houses for example anto be guest house anto lodge be sanato kanaka lodge then kajeno yina kame borban shout town be tampunu be lo shale then to bolti tanem chanten dans les entours
arrière parcel delivery toi wala ni terlem bi imayi tumtum ma sunsun ni tumne ni vo chamo dinan ka maybe so parcel ne to kana ko ma su do ni auto kolia ki cheka bizan chante di les entours
nin tolerant biane because ne nin tolerant biane ma mi antum de tuma there are these bad days that shall be ka yina ka problems biane but delivery matter started is over a year now but never encounter any problem. There was one instance kokate encounter me da nyala so nearby in Dublin at the same place so katishan ko gable zanti kate delivery so ten delivery first one man ka umbala ma din mate ko te no be new deni so ka quality kat caller la order number ma karbla chiara so that was the instant but to kunang la reliable, affordable, then fast. And then the man check and never nin totinyala so can be like bishel pool like the customers to my office. How to pick up parcel. Then to pick up parcel. Can never available. We keep it in the office. At not available, then we come and deliver it to you.
To my kutumna the malasa shedding yampa ki ibo vunti ma kakulti bi yara kulus. Imal kulus bi to mama puni bi nir kami borben sahashe kam onto boli namba ma ne to tum share on board
te first traje me 24/7 but we realized that last time there was some security ben yahre so trako katla to kuta up to maybe 12 young 12 so young 12 ma halizan kana asba maybe 5 because 5 so bien we ngome so 5 there about zankana then we can start work so tamale personnel katutu multi shadows kan bon mi one time the tunem biane so that in case of anything so that's how we work
son to be sambane ka oni kumbia no bang lokshe pro mb niri bore eglas hap na ma yeploko e oni tunya
tibiala saka police station ma dundwel ma the direct opposite then nakatibe and also we are on Google. I could type a last app on Google. Ten yinami about direction. Google Map then to direct our Canada office and to contact Babi Google so that was why.
That's beautiful. Nerpuya delivery the bare yala pam. Email niveau shaba kaman okada so I boire yom no chan lo shapulo. Kunu to call ya kika tizon chan.
Yes. kamate matena batachi delivery ma de banyara tamala pickups some of it mbala no drop off for example ambi chongo ka abibi shikuru ka bakulus ka na kutu yisipi dena to quality katiti maybe haltan pa wat anto call na ka mini shikuru na ma difila then ka ba mini nyini yal na takana then ka tapiko so hala sani kana be so sa yila lo shel ka jiyon ka kana ka chen shel pulu nyungu so sano kana ma anto boalti tene chante piko zongo kana san so tenang daraza
so ba e bien karanya maybe an yel san mo o biela yon o kamna yon ka bore niveau so ngune to ko zon bon nen chanke kar ko dabsel munma on to ku asa imala
tamala sa madane nye errant ma nyi no ko use ti sham we are ready to serve nyi ko yel tem boar la ngo den ka tena mina difila gba 20 yala den an ku bor shamma tento nangta so tamal loro be vestin ma tamala kamale motokin tamale motorbikes kamal pickups so de dwala tun shele anyen tun tena me jia sham na men logi lo shele me be kan chantan pan lesse gushao ka bor pickup like ban kanna ma juice min bin yarama so bi kanala ban to quality then ka teno organize the trip ma mun yan zamba cham daba nai so do ko dwala ni ne bor na temina tum sham ka quality
that's beautiful so I could be lo kam monitor me a glass happening na be do mo pool ma ban la delivery and it has to do with so many things then ko yarama ban sha kam kai bora karanye nyin kala sahanto contact ba kamin ba po hayu taba ka batum ambor mazanta ce kan gu into vo kom kala de chankanta Okay, so I be lol kam te vo kom makala na gare kom TV zone na bon kan kwande jandi ay te kunya ka te min shawe visite du mo puni nzana afana zan trena de worani ni vo ma balama de zo asho irami ani no to tre elas nim te memba pom mi tab katina engineer fila ma so te mi la banu to nan shale de zo dinya abela lol kam Ghana law kam ka be ka bo na min ba nan transaction they are ready for that open share never my mobile money kanan na banking service di nan maka abe yan ka bo lagre yom anto contact ba so manager son to be sambane ko ni ku miarne odi namba ma to ko le ake muno pa yotaba ari yele namba ma den san bien ka azanti
den na ku biane tamale 024 29 61 225 024 29 61 225 kamale 0203 228099 0203 228099 so currently ana ku call others biane so maybe titi share flyer then come papa ma den zanleti kapdir la fane
so you to aden ka bona azampa maybe sambane no abambo Michel ka ba more about last happen
so den ko pa nyala teto male ben shaus kama sono to be saf kabwar ben shanu da in the northern region so I mal solala maybe kakasa hatu to yen nang de la ben yarama then anto link it terminal up so that when you board ben shaw in the north when you call it me terminal defila in shamka then you bola ben machine parcel everything then send it to be obey and send la ben shati so young we can receive it on the person behalf so that I can deliver it to the person aban yarshama so then namza
so dinanka so be saf kamale ve hono ve
mari gala erat ba tene yalmene amborna
no i jante ve to ha o
to moti ya taraga
that's fine okay and so ana yara
so din ye shambala with regards to banka young kartune te server ba be nyang bazayen sene ben shaw bumbu ayin sene
ben shaw
so kaka time anto bolte katkata pole chante sene le tankam mal customers from busha yendi karga kabisha benen darniama tamalon banku kwa restaurant so ko en koli yame nden dalan ka sabe kay isable so yino ko en google en darza la ndeza en chante talem kana ci shabiane like shopping so beno en shopping ka be tumani on to sub shopping list matiti den katana nan shopping ma nza tena mene nan de shambe sha kam tena yanzan kama de boire question shelma because on to call ka na send 5 million to ka send to ko zanjo so what we do is that yent tla list katinyere cost then temina idi fila karagbana dinyala shop A ne ka nan da katwe shop A
ka ti sena la raison
abe is ida dinyala bui is ida ka sena lorma ntaba min ba sunsuni then shall me bien ten ko exemple lare non ben shaka
so ngoma za it has to do with trust level man
this that because ma mi ba yen zan lore so bien o call na ka na ba miula ka ba yen zan lore da so sometimes the ba mala risk na ma but we have a way of dealing with it but the numura to be yell because the net business but to dar ne mater nerwala hal bandirama 90% of bandir shangatin dara inter nirba to lor ka to mal dar
so e be lo sheplo ka ko girlfriend kan no san into chante porto bala
hello borna to san ale play tumbo ale okay so my girlfriend we
so yarma ziku nan ka be sambana maybe ka girl kan asan ka boyra antu call iglas na makabe cheka so chante portana ko paga na ka kudu e ka anima social media handles bien so no bon no contact through social media ma
social media handles to be TikTok to be Facebook to be all social media kunyala ihlas ma ihlas hub all social media
that's fine so akpan pala
ba inde yarla benwo yeto aba mal shop na ma shop owners na ban the online trade ban ko harben yara online the member shop tumda say for example adaban sha online den to kunye within tamal be outside tamal so ida ayan call it me dinye tan share karachana tan yan ka ta peklen chante sen tu de me nyelo lambiala within yon den ka ta boshi nzantu kana chekula da woni ban ko harne mama so to da kada kasaha because so campaign on the social media advertisement so I nan kaso bora oida ka mino set tabantu bolt katkana te pekle na chante tu so no lambor nan pahe shele mala
that's beautiful so ko pensera so kam jandi ekadama anan business with a large app numa te ba min ba puntum ne katmi ben to nan shele ndizo ay be samba na nyindi cheka de be mala ayan tumtuma with ni radio tumina amila nirma ba credibility ni chanto pa lokshapolo so tenir ba tabate min bana ku jinpe ban lete to ko harba nzan tere so trusting what they are doing so ben shakam all type of delivery kai bora they are doing it bendirgu kamatin de yare a borne so pagana ka kasahana to chante pola nirma tenama sahana to enje sota ku kana
so before kantam bango man de yala motokin yeto so mami mi sometimes ko pato nang de de la motokin na mat to mal tour
comme 7 wow
case ka so dozo kan ko basically kama nyinde no kudmi ne kama
bia dunwa tama mo ye mo so kan ye
abia go puni ben shavara nyin ko lenti katmina di fila tine to nan la ta tibian ma jere we do for you so banden kunyame ba kwan ba ma ka ba contact ti
so UDS problema zan ba target yimala ye musra pam
Allah side ma timal customers
yes exactly so into contact ba so jo maybe anto kulan ye to ama belfun summarize in English zanti for the sake of Bambe Sambani and kaba understand the language
so ndi bo wumde selema avan ya so non yama gafara so a last delivery service we do errands, all kinds of errands and all kinds of deliveries. Like we said, we do parcel delivery, food delivery, and basically errand. If you need anything, you call us, tell us the description of whatever you want to do, then we will be able to do it for you. So even if you are not in Tamale or in the northern region and you need something in the north, you can call us, then we organize it for you. So basically, this is what we can do for those who are not around. But we also have our mobile money services and banking agency services. we do that at the our station, which is Sakasaka Police Station. So those of them around Tamale, in and around Tamale, you can patronize our services. So basically, this is what Ikhlas Hub does.
That's beautiful. He has mentioned a lot. So if you are outside and you want to do business with them, you can. They are trustful. We have worked with them and we know what they can do. That's the reason why we brought them here to give this particular information to you guys. So those around UDS and Target, they say, oh, if you want water, they can also provide the water for you guys with a cool, very cool price. So you can do business with them. Okay, so Uncle Marshall.
So I just want to talk about, because some people may be asking about our prices.
Okay.
We are affordable. That is why we make it negotiable.
Okay.
We don't tag price.
Okay.
So sometimes when you call us, we engage with you and then see how we can help.
Okay.
So that for the first time at least, we should be able to do something so that you get what we said we can do. So that next time when we are giving you a price, at least you know that it worth the amount. So we are negotiable. So kama anu kuya Shamsul min Silema, I boil to the palatri and yelma you amongo karkusha chinchina na yuale. Temina ane difila because biagu pununa. Temina ane difila dama igbai. Then hal anna yual kuboil karana kunya apilwu. To kuboar la din yan nang kanyatin nang de bensha. What we are capable of. So that next time titelan trap price kamini so the prices we are very affordable.
So that's beautiful. Okay. So mununka example
son titamaliza bangon kam watchra ntepa tepumba to customers mbe mbole yule because the customers ma galsia to boy so kamza yule so ndela nzante pour son titre tumtum de ba do me banan cheka tuma ma chen so general impul so kam
okay so ngbaneza nchon kazan pour son ti Ikhlas Hub numa ne benye sa to kena to dumo pour 4 enfants de bien zanti isamba numa